Welcome everyone to another AZ Ray video. Today we're going to talk about Freemasons, a very popular candidate that are often used in conspiracy theories. Freemasons are often used in various conspiracy theories. Their origins go back to the 14th century, but they started gaining quite a lot of steam in the 18th, 19th century, and the 1900s. They spread all over the world, from the US to the Middle East to various parts of Europe and various parts of like Northern Africa. They went all over the place. And arguably, when it went from England to France, was arguably one of its most deadly and effective times. There was a lot of Freemason hate and Jew hate in the late 1800s. There were tumultuous times. There was the Dreyfus case, where a Jew officer was put on trial to be a traitor. You had the Panama scandal, where a lot of French financiers collapsed and they were of Jewish descent. And then you also had the Taxil Hoax, which was a lot of Masonic, satanic history and child sacrifice, you name it. And they blamed the Masons for all this stuff. There was a lot of scapegoating that was happening, and they were trying to point the finger at somebody. And Jews and Freemasons were some of the easiest ones to point. Some researchers, like Rick Spence, even thinks that these roots with this tumultuous times may have led to the creations of the Protocols of Elders of Zion, which is one of the most anti-Semitic things that was mostly against Freemasons, but also against them. And yeah, there's a lot of complex conspiracies that trickle down from this. The Taxil Hoax is probably one of the most complex examples. And the people to this day think that Jewish and Freemasons still control and manipulate a lot of the world. Although people may not know, that's actually one of the older references that people use from the late 1890s. Even though the person that wrote it came out and said that it was a hoax, people are still believing it till this day.